Have you ever felt stuck, like you're not reaching your full potential? The truth is, it's not your ability holding you back, it's your focus. It's not resources, it's strategy. It's not opportunities, it's discipline. And it's not talent, it's consistency. Success doesn't wait for the perfect moment. It comes when you take action now. Because later, the coffee grows cold. Later, motivation fades. Later, the day turns to night. Later, people grow old. Later, life slips by. And later, you're left with regret, wondering, what if I had acted sooner? To live a purposeful, successful life, stop waiting. Ask yourself, what would a winner do? What would the best version of me do right now? Then take that first step. Today, we'll explore powerful lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad, principles that can shift your mindset and set you on the path to financial freedom. 1. Financial aptitude is knowing what to do with the money you earn. Earning money is the first step, but becoming wealthy requires using that money wisely. The key is investing in financial assets that generate income, like stocks, rental properties, or businesses. Instead of just saving, let your money work for you to build wealth over time. Financial literacy is essential for making smart money decisions. By learning about investing, budgeting, and money management, you can grow your wealth. The more you understand how money works, the better you can use it to achieve financial freedom. Educate yourself and let your financial knowledge grow into a powerful tool for success. 2. Your single most valuable asset is your mind. According to this book, money isn't your greatest asset. The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it is trained well, it can create enormous wealth, says Kiyosaki. He believes that if people are willing to be flexible, keep an open mind, and continuously learn, they are more likely to become richer. Your mindset shapes how you handle money. To become wealthy, you need to change how you think about it, learning to earn, manage, and make it work for you. Focus on growing your financial knowledge by reading, taking courses, and learning about investing. The more you invest in your mind, the better your financial decisions will be. 3. Work to acquire life skills, not for money. According to Kiyosaki, if you only work for a paycheck, you may never escape the rat race or build real wealth. Instead, focus on gaining skills that increase your value and create new opportunities. This mindset encourages people to shift from seeking high-paying jobs to becoming entrepreneurs or developing wealth through special skills. The lesson is to invest in marketable skills, and wealth will follow as you grow. 4. Failure inspires winners and defeats losers. Kiyosaki explains that the rich are not afraid to take risks, while the poor fear failure. Although both rich and poor fear losing money, the difference lies in how they handle that fear. Many poor people avoid taking risks, while rich people learn from their losses. If you're too scared of losing money, you'll never make any. Kiyosaki teaches us that failure should inspire us to try again with a different approach, rather than letting it defeat us. The key to winning is embracing failure as a lesson and moving forward. 5. Focus on assets, not liabilities. A key lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is to focus on building assets, not liabilities, to achieve financial independence. Robert Kiyosaki explains that assets are things that put money into your pocket, like real estate, stocks, or businesses. Liabilities are things that take money out, such as mortgages, car loans, or credit card debt. For example, a house purchased with a mortgage is a liability because it costs money but doesn't generate income. In contrast, a rental property is an asset because it earns rental income. To build wealth, focus on acquiring income-generating assets and minimizing liabilities. 6. Get a financial education. Robert Kiyosaki points out that traditional education often doesn't teach important skills like managing money, building wealth, and understanding financial principles. He compares his two dads to show this. His poor dad, despite being well-educated, struggled financially by relying on a salary. In contrast, his rich dad, with less formal education, focused on financial literacy and investing, leading to wealth and independence. To improve your financial future, invest time in learning about money management, risk-taking, and wealth-building strategies. 7. Run your own business. Kiyosaki advises that if you have a job, keep it while starting a part-time business. Never quit your job until your business is stable. He stresses that having a job won't make you rich, but owning a business can. Wealthy people focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income, like real estate or stocks. Instead of working for someone else, they make money work for them. Relying on a salary keeps you stuck in the rat race. By starting your own business, you create opportunities to earn more and gain financial freedom. Focus on creating something of value, generating income beyond your active work, and taking control of your financial future. 8. Understand the tax code and legal system. Kiyosaki explains that the rich use the tax code to their advantage. When you earn a salary or take loans, you pay high taxes, including income tax, Social Security, and Medicare taxes. However, if you run a corporation, you can reduce your taxes by writing off business expenses. A business can reinvest its profits to grow, which lowers taxable income. Additionally, the profits can be paid out as dividends, which are taxed at a lower rate than salary income. By running a business, you can keep more of your money and reduce your tax burden. Understanding how taxes work and using legal strategies can help you retain more of your earnings and build wealth over time. This is a crucial step in becoming financially independent. 9. Take financial risks. To become rich, Kiyosaki advises taking financial risks. If you follow the same path as everyone else, you'll stay stuck in the rat race. The rich take chances and explore new opportunities, while others let them slip by. To achieve massive profits, you need to take higher risks. Kiyosaki distinguishes between job security and financial security. A steady job might seem secure, but it's not foolproof. External changes can cause you to lose your job, no matter how safe it feels. Instead, investing in assets like stocks and real estate can create multiple income streams. This provides financial security because if one income is affected, others can still support you. However, taking risks doesn't mean being reckless. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of taking calculated risks. You need to weigh your options carefully, but don't let fear of risk stop you from seizing good opportunities. 10. Pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before spending on bills or other items. By doing this consistently, you build wealth over time. Kiyosaki emphasizes that without self-discipline, it's hard to get rich. He warns that many lottery winners go broke because they lack control over their spending. Similarly, people who get raises often spend the extra money on unnecessary things instead of investing it. To achieve financial success, focus on saving and investing before spending. 11. Find a reason. Robert Kiyosaki teaches us the importance of having a clear purpose when pursuing wealth. He asks, why do you want to earn more passive income? For many, it's to avoid working all their life and have control over their time. Others want to support their families or give to charity. Writing down your why keeps you motivated and focused. Without a clear reason, it's easy to lose sight of your goal and give up. A strong purpose helps you push through challenges and stay on track, turning the pursuit of wealth into a meaningful journey. By applying these principles to your financial journey, you're taking a powerful step towards securing your financial future. Now, what's one lesson from the book that you're going to start applying today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're planning to use these strategies to level up your financial game. Remember, it's never too late to start making smart money moves. Keep learning, stay focused, and success will follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. See you in the next one. Take care.